Hey everyone, welcome back to our CapCut tutorials. In today's video, we will be learning about one of the most popular features in CapCut, and that is the split screen feature. Whether you are a content creator or someone who loves to make videos, the split screen feature can really take your videos to next level. So let's dive in and get started. Open up the CapCut app. Now the first step is to import your clips. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon in the media tab and selecting the clips that you want to use. Just tap here and then add your clips to your timeline. I'll be choosing this video. Just tap on add. You can add 2 or more videos to your timeline. It depends on you. So let me show you how you can use the split screen effect. So let me show you how you can add the split screen to this video. But for now, we will go to the overlay and here tap on add overlay. Here choose another video and tap on add. Now you see we have these 2 videos with us. So I'm going to zoom so that covers the whole screen. Now search for the edit and now from here select on crop. Use the crop option so that the video will cover at least half of the screen. Now you can see the object is in the frame. Just tap on this tick icon. I'm going to place it just right here. Now I'll select the upper one. Again, I'll be choosing the edit. Now tap on crop and crop the video. And once you're happy with it, just tap on this tick icon. I'm going to place the video just right here. And this one here. And there you have it. Now play the video. You see now you have the split screen effect in this video. You can add more videos to it. Just tap on add overlay and select the video. Just tap on add. Here again by selecting the video, I'm going to place it at the start just by holding it. And now by selecting the video, go to the edit and now tap on crop and then crop the video. Apply to your video, zoom in so it will cover the whole page and place it right here. Now by selecting this one, go to the crop, zoom out and select your object and place it right here. Now by selecting this one, again go to the edit and tap on crop. Press on tick icon and place it right here. Now I'm going to play the video. Now you've added the split screen effect to 3 of the videos. You can also add some of the portrait videos to your landscape one. Let me show you what I'm telling you. I'm going to delete all of these. Go back, create a new project and then select any one of the portrait video. I'll choose this video and tap on add. Now I'll be changing its ratio and I'm going to convert it into 16:9. Just hit on tick. Now go to the overlay panel. Here tap on add overlay And now select two more of the vertical videos. Just tap on add and now select the position of the video. Now play the video. Now you can see you have added the split screen effect to 3 of the vertical videos in the landscape one. You can make changes to them. You can add the filters. You can add the text. By selecting the video, add filters. Now go back to preview the video. And there you have it. If you want to edit the clip, just tap on this icon. This will open up the overlay panel and you can edit all of these videos. Just go back and play the video. Now you have successfully added the split screen effect to your CapCut video. You can use the effect panel to add some of the video effects. If you want to add the effect to all of the video, just tap on object and tap on all videos. Here select the length of the video. It will take some time to render, but it will be perfect when you export the video. And once you're happy with it, and now it's time to export it and share it. Here select the resolution of your video, and once you're happy with it, just tap on export. And there you have it, a simple and easy to follow guide on how to use split screen feature in CapCut. Whether you're making a vlog, tutorial or a creative videos, the split screen feature can really make your videos stand out. So go ahead and give it a try and let us know in the comments below how you plan to use this feature in your videos. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section as well. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.